children. Welcome to the physics class. Now, last time you had studied about that sound travels in the form of a longitudinal wave in air. Now, have you ever thought that you are listening different types of sound and you are able to identify them? Let it be a male voice or let it be a female voice, or maybe suppose you are talking to a person on a phone. You are able to identify, yes, he or she is this person. So the question comes, how do you come to know that the voice is of a particular person? You can differentiate between different types of musical instrument. Let it be shehnai, flute, mandolin, sitar, any musical instrument. So children, there are certain characteristics of sound on the basis of which you are able to differentiate the sounds. And those characteristics we are going to learn today, which will help you in identifying the different types of sound. Now, first characteristic of sound is loudness. It is the characteristic of the sound which differentiates a loud sound from a soft sound. Children, this is the definition of the loudness. It is the characteristic of the sound which differentiates a loud sound from a soft sound. Remember this thing, children. Opposite of loudness of the sound is soft sound. You will never speak the word less sound or more sound. These are very inappropriate words for sound. So, opposite of loud is soft, or you can use another word also as feeble sound. These to be taken into account whenever it is required. So, loudness is one of the characteristics. Now, the factors, I am going to tell you the factors on which the loudness of the sound depends. Application based questions will be there on these factors. So children, be very careful while learning. Now, so for loudness we have factors on which loudness depends. Number 1, amplitude. Now, what is amplitude? As you all know, sound is produced by a vibrating body. So, when the vibration is there, the particle is leaving its place and it is moving either back and forth, to and fro in any condition. So, maximum displacement of the particle, of the vibrating particle, from its mean position is known as amplitude. Amplitude is denoted by A and its SI unit is meter. I think I'll write again above. SI unit is meter. SI unit is meter. Now, how does this amplitude affect the loudness? It is that they are directly proportional to each other. loudness is directly proportional to amplitude. Meaning of this is, more the amplitude, louder is the sound, and vice versa.